Welcome, everyone, to this 10-minute yoga practice to release pain in the neck and jaw. My name is Joelle, and we're going to get started on our backs today. So take your time rolling down. You can plant both feet, find a comfortable position, then roll slightly over to your left so that you can trap your right forearm underneath your right glute, pulling that right shoulder down. Once you've done that, bring your left ear towards your left shoulder, so away from that trapped arm, keeping the back of the head to the mat, the gaze to the ceiling or eyes closed, and just take a few breaths here, feeling the stretch down the right side of the neck. If you'd like to explore this stretch further, you can turn your face towards the left, bring the left hand to the back of your head, and gently pull your head down towards your left shoulder. Let the breath be soft and steady throughout. And then you can release that stretch. Very nice. Free up that right arm. Maybe give it a little bit of a shake. And then open and close your mouth a few times, really gently, not forcing, just an inch or so. Releasing through those jaw muscles. Very nice. We'll come to the second side. So bringing your left forearm underneath your left glute, and then rocking your head over towards your right shoulder. Back of the head stays on the mat for now. And simply observing whether the stretch feels any different on this second side. And again, if you'd like to take things a little further, you can turn your head towards the right, with the right hand to the back of the head, just encouraging it that little bit further, and bringing the stretch towards the back of the neck as well. Beautiful. We can let that go, free up that left arm, give yourself a shake, and just rock the neck from left to right a few times, observing whether anything has changed. And then bring the head back to center. We'll start poking the nose up towards the ceiling and then bringing the head back down. So it's almost like a little chicken move here, reaching the chin and the nose up and softly bringing the head back down. Nothing else moves. If you'd like to add an extra challenge, you can place the back of both hands on your forehead and keep going. This will add a little bit of weight. We're doing a combination of strengthening and stretching today. Both of these are very important in terms of releasing and also preventing pain in the neck and jaw. And let that go. Now bring the hands to the back of the head with the elbows down. Sunbather arms here, and we'll do the opposite. So rather than lifting the head, press it back as if you wanted to go through your hands and into the floor, and then release. So take that a few times, pressing down and then releasing. Noticing which muscles have to work hard here to make this happen. Really nice. You can let that go. Keep the hands as they are. Just pick up your head and use the hands to kind of make some intuitive movements with the head. So the head is kind of dead weight here. It's the arms doing the work. Maybe you trace a few circles. Maybe you sway a little bit from left to right. This will look a little bit different on every body. And we can let that go. Bring the arms alongside the body so you can roll yourself over onto your right side into a side sphinx pose. So up on your right forearm with the legs stacked. Sink down into your right shoulder and let the right ear rest on or towards it. The head and right shoulder are not moving, and with the left fingertips in front of us, we'll trace some circles back with that left shoulder, and then a couple of circles forwards with that left shoulder. Some creative motions here, trying to surprise our body a little bit with these different sort of moves so that we can find a little bit more freedom. Really nice. Softly press yourself up. We're just coming over to the other side, nothing too crazy here. So lying down on your left side, left forearm is down, right fingertips in front of you. Let the left ear rest to the left shoulder, sinking into that left shoulder blade and then circling that right shoulder back. You might observe whether the circles are a little bit bigger or smaller on this second side. And tracing a few forwards. Really making our trapezius muscle work here. And then let that go. Take a deep breath in. And on your breath out, press yourself up. We're coming towards any comfortable seat, so that might be cross-legged as I am. Might be sitting a little bit differently if you prefer. We're going to bring our chin over in the direction of our right shoulder with the right hand behind the head, just like we did when we were lying down. Now reach your left arm away from you. Keep that arm straight, make a fist, and twist that left arm in its socket. So bringing the ball of the shoulder forwards and back, not letting the elbow bend. Still breathing soft and steady. Really nice. Let your hand press your forehead back up to center. Close the eyes. And again, we'll open and close the mouth really gently a few times here. So without straining the jaw, we're just letting it hang open and then softly close. And for the second side, take your gaze towards the left, your chin towards your left shoulder, left hand holds the back of the head. Right arm reaches away to make a fist, and then twist forwards and back. Keep that arm straight. Maybe you've got a little bit more or less range here on the second side. And it's a nice opportunity to thank ourselves for turning up to the mat today. You know, it's not easy when something hurts or feels tight, but you're here doing the work. So let that go, give yourself a bit of a shake, roll the shoulders back. Then simply take your gaze over one shoulder and then the other, just turning left and right. Nothing else moves. Loosening up the muscles and the bones here. Then bringing yourself back to center once more. Take your thumbs now. We're going to place them right into the back of our jaw here, with the other fingers to the back of the head. So kind of hunt around until you find a tender spot. Doesn't take too long for most of us to place those thumbs right in there. And once more, we'll let the jaw hang open and close. A tiny movement here. You can press the thumbs in, or you could give yourself a little bit of a massage. And then let's sway from side to side. So it's almost like your head is a ball that you're passing from one hand to the other. You could keep the eyes closed, making this a little bit more intuitive. Feeling into whatever type of motion your body needs. Really nice. Returning to center, maybe giving yourself a little bit of a scalp massage, jaw massage here with the hands as they are. And then let the chin come towards the chest. We'll place the hands to the back of the head, just weighing it down here. You can hold still or maybe sway a little bit from side to side, and then let that go. Roll the shoulders back a few times. Let's just trace one big circle in one direction with that neck, and then a circle in the other direction, observing how everything feels. And lifting the chin up once more, allow yourself a smile and a little pat on the back for all of your efforts today as we sweep the hands up to the sky and bring the palms to meet in front of your heart. Well done today. I'd love to invite you to join my 3-day free challenge for upper body tension. You can find the link on screen or in the description box of the video. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.